What's good, guys? I'm here at my house. I'm going to do something a little different today. I am going to put this, I already did it, but I put this on a spoon, and here is the spoon that I put it on. I'm going to do that. Now, kids, do not try this at home, because it will burn. And I don't really know what to say. Kitty. But I'm kind of scared right now because the hot sauce it's made with 6 million Scoville, which will extremely burn, which I will need a cup. But this is my house. But I'm like so scared right now. But it's my own fault, and I want to do this for you guys. It's probably not going to be as fun as some of the YouTubers out there, like Fail Army or any of those video game streamers or anything like that. I'm just doing something easy right now. If you have any like little ideas for like videos, you can comment down below, and I will look at the comments and see what video ideas y'all have. So I will probably not I'm just stirring this up right now. Okay, I am getting ready to do this. I am so nervous right now, like you don't even know. And without further ado, let's do this. Man, guys, do not try this at home, because it burns like hell. So do not try this at home, because this really burns, and I really like spicy food too, and it really burns right now. As you can tell, it's gone. It is not there. So now if you're a daredevil, you can go ahead and do this. But if you don't like spicy food and you don't do that stuff, don't hurt your stomach over it. Like your safety, don't do so. Like if I do crazy things, do not do them at home. I don't want to be responsible for what you guys do. So you were probably expecting a better reaction from me from that, but I am pretty used to spicy food, but it is getting worse right now. And I am crying right now. don't really have many subscribers right now, so I can't really shout anyone out. I'm like dying, so because I will say this a lot, don't do this at home. Do you all hear me? I am retarded and stupid, so I'm doing this at home. Because I've never done it before. This is the first time. This is the first time, and I am crying right now. And if you do it and you start tearing up, don't rub your eyes if you touched the hot sauce. Like if the sauce got on you, you just licked it off, don't rub your eyes afterwards. Unless you wash your hands. But I will try to upload when I can, because I kind of have YouTube. My dad doesn't know about it, and I will be uploading when I am by myself. So it'll probably be another week or two before I upload another video. But I just want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish I could have given you a better reaction, but I just hope that someday I become a better YouTuber, and that will make a lot of money doing this. Shout out to YouTube for giving me an opportunity to do this, and hopefully y'all like the video. Peace out.